2 to the negative 2 power just means take the inverse of 2 to the negative 2 power. And what that means is, put it in the denominator and make it positive. The inverse, there's the inverse. 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. Okay, so I want to emphatically state this. When you have a negative exponent, switch levels and make it positive. Just remember that, and you'll be able to get through this part of the section, which I think is 7.1 and 7.2. X to the negative 4 power. Switch levels and make it positive. 1 over x to the 4th. 1 over 2 to the negative 2. Switch levels. So we're going to move it from the denominator to the numerator this time. So we've got 2 to the negative 2. Now we do have an invisible 1 down here. So we switched up the denominator and numerator, but we don't need to write it. So the next step we won't. So that's 2 to the negative 2. Sorry, that's 2 squared, 2 to the positive 2 power, and that is 4. 1 over x to the negative 4. Switch levels and make it positive. So we've got x to the positive 4 in the numerator, and there's our final answer. We can't simplify that anymore, so we have to leave it as x to the 4th. Let's look at this one. Remember the last video, we said multiplying exponents, you just add them. So we're just going to add them, except we have negative numbers involved. 2 and negative 8, negative 6, negative 6, and negative 20 is negative 26. So equals p to the negative 26. Oh, we have a negative exponent, so we're going to have to switch levels and make it positive. P to the positive 26. Orange, my least favorite color, but it would be selfish of me to never use orange because some of the viewers, the 3 viewers that I probably have for this video, might like orange. So I'm doing this for you, those of you who like orange. So let's go ahead and take this step by step. We have all these exponents being raised by a negative 3. And I went ahead and put the invisible 1 with this 3 coefficient here. And so we've got 1, remember, power raised by a power, you multiply the exponent. So I've got 1 times negative 3, and we've got 3 to the negative 3. And we're going to take care of that later. We're going to clean that up. We've got m, we've got a power raised by a power, negative 3 times negative 3. We've got m to the positive 9, because a negative times a negative is a positive. N to the 4 raised by the 3 power is n to the negative 12. And z to the 5th raised to the negative 3 power is z to the negative 15. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch levels and make them positive for every negative exponent. The m to the positive 9, we're just going to leave it alone because it's already simplified. So we're going to leave the m to the 9 up at the top, and we're going to move the 3 to the negative 3 to the bottom to make it 3 to the positive 3. And we're going to move n to the negative 12 to the bottom. When I say the bottom, I mean the denominator, which I should be using the right terminology. And we're going to move z to the negative 15 down to the denominator. We're going to make it positive. So we've got z to the positive 15. And now, let's go ahead and write our final answer. We've got m to the 9 over 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. N to the 12. And z to the positive 15. Let me fix that. And that's going to have to work. Okay, this video is over. Thanks for watching.